that you're considering ordering a wig, usually human hair wigs are not very cheap. So obviously you have some questions that will it look natural, will it fit well, would the length be okay, would the density be okay just by sending pictures? How would you design a wig which will look like natural hair? So, however, we understand that all your concerns are valid and we're going to take one by one concerns. We're going to try to answer these questions. So the first common question is that by giving the measurement, will it fit well? So let me explain that usually what we do is we give you a detailed video how to take the measurements of the head. Now just in case if we feel that the measurement has not been taken right, probably our executive would call you and ask you to take the measurements again. We feel that the measurements are absolutely fine. We also take a lot of pictures of yours, so we do get a more or less idea that the measurement that you've taken is right or wrong. So in that wig, what we do is we keep probably 2 or 3 mm slightly bigger and we add an elastic tape. So just in case if you feel that it's loose, you can definitely add that hook and tighten it. So it should not be a problem at all as far as the fitting is concerned. What if the density, the volume in the hair is not right? Usually what we do is, as far as the density is concerned, or when there's hair loss, usually the top area goes in. So we make a conscious effort to design something which is thinner on top and maybe slightly heavier at the back compared to the top. So we usually keep the density, the volume slightly lighter so that it looks a little more natural. However, if you receive the wig and you feel that the density is too much, we can definitely reduce the density. You can send us the wig back and at no additional cost, we'll reduce the density and we'll send it back to you, so there's nothing to worry about. Also, if you feel that needed a little more volume, you can send it back to us, you can courier it to us, and within 3 to 4 working days, we can add some volume into it and then we can send it back to you at no additional cost. So the density should not be an issue at all. What if the length doesn't match your desired length? Now what we usually do is that as far as the hair length is concerned, when you send us the pictures, we usually get an idea what is the length that you're looking for. So we usually keep it maybe 1 inch or 2 inches longer than your desired length, so that just in case if you find it longer, you can always cut it short. So hair length usually is never an issue. How about the color is not right? What we do is we take a lot of pictures of yours. We also take the videos in natural light. So we do get an idea as far as your color is concerned. You can send us the pictures as well. Now this gives us a fair understanding. Now please understand these are wigs and somebody else's hair. So obviously we're going to try to choose the hair which is closest to your natural hair texture and the color. We also usually suggest not very frizzy hair textures and all. In the wig, it gets quite unmanageable. So as far as the color is concerned, we can match it to your existing color. So one of the most common questions I think that we feel that, how about the haircut doesn't match? Now what we do is, as far as the haircut is concerned, we break it up into 3 categories. One is the front layering thing and one is the back layer, one is the top layering. Now in the front, what is the shortest length that you want in the front, and we keep that as a reference point and we keep it slightly longer than your reference point and we layer it in the front, or we can also keep it one length. At the back also we see the layering pattern and then accordingly we layer it, which looks exactly like your natural hair. So as far as the haircut is concerned also, usually it's never ever a problem. It's quite simple for us. Once we see the pictures, we get an idea that what kind of layering is it and we try to make it close to your natural hairstyle. Well, I think we've covered all the points. If you still have any questions, you can WhatsApp or call on 9967123333. Thank you so much and subscribe to Alchemy Hair Extensions. Thank you.